Hello, friends. Have you ever wondered night sky and wondered what is this? Today we are going to a virtual tour of space. I am so happy to show you solar system. There are more number of stars than sand particles on Earth. I am the sun. All planets revolve around me. I'm made up of gases. Do you know? 1 billion Earths can fit inside me. I am Mercury, smallest planet in the solar system. Do you know? A year on Mercury is just 88 days long. I am Venus, closest to a twin of Earth. Do you know? A day on Venus, 243 days, lasts longer than it takes the planet to orbit around the Sun, 225 days. I am Earth, is the only planet not named after a god. Do you know? I appear as bright and bluish when seen from outer space. I am Mars, smaller than Earth. Do you know? I am home to the tallest mountain in the solar system. I am Jupiter, largest planet of the solar system. Do you know? I am known for my stripes and large red spots. I am Saturn, the jewel of the solar system. Do you know? You cannot stand on Saturn. I am Uranus, 7th planet from the Sun. Do you know? I am first planet found with the aid of a telescope. I am Neptune, most distant planet. Do you know? A year on Neptune lasts 165 Earth years. Thank you for watching.